How to forward a message in Teams. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the simple and easy steps on how you can forward a message in Microsoft Teams. So forwarding a message in Microsoft Teams is fairly very easy. You can forward any message between groups, between people, or between communities as well. So let me show you how to do this. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to that particular message that you want to forward. So for example, let's say I want to forward this particular message that I had sent. Now, in order to forward this message, what you can do is simply right click over to this message and you will see this option called forward in this menu. Click onto this forward option and from here you can add the recipient. You can add their name, their email, or simply their phone number as well. So let us try to enter our recipient's name. I'll simply type in their name if it appears here. So let's say I have typed in the recipient's name, and I can also type in a message preview like. Then once I have typed in this, I can simply click onto this forward option, and now you can see that within this chat I have forwarded them this message, which is clearly marked with this arrow icon here. So that's how easily you can forward messages in Microsoft Teams. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.